Hey everybody, welcome back. And if you're new here, thank you for joining me. I'm Miss Nene, and today I am going to be doing a puddle pour on the 16 by 20 canvas with a black background. I am using the last of my Deco Art Enchanted paints. I wanted to try them again with the little bit that I had left with some metallic copper, bronze, and gold, and light blue. I wanted to see how they look together. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I hope everyone is doing great. I hope everybody is staying healthy and safe out there. Yeah, because we are living in crazy times right now. So I hope everyone is doing good. So I'm going to let this video play out. I will be back to show you the close-up, and I will also show you the dry results. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading new things. Thanks so much for joining me again, guys, and I will see you at the end. Be right back. Okay, so I'm done. I did do some off-camera tweaking, nothing major, just little blows here and there with the straw. But overall, this is it. And I'm going to show you the close-up in a second. I hope you guys like this. Please let me know what you think about this painting in the comment, the color combination and everything. So here's the close-up. Look at how beautiful that is. I love the colors together. Yeah, look at the green. That's the metallic. That green is the Deco Art Americana. The white areas you see, the more creamier, bright ones will turn. Those are the Americana paints. Those are the ones that sometimes they change right there, and sometimes they just, as they dry, the color comes out. So like right here, the green. Yeah, it turned out beautifully. I love the way this turned out. I love the color combination, the gold, the lacing. I didn't put any silicone in this painting. Yeah, so there it is. So I'm about to show you the dry results now. So I hope you like it. So here we go. Okay, guys, here it is. All dry and pretty. I love this. I love the different colors. I love how colorful and bright and metallic-y and fun. It's a fun painting. I love it. I think I'm going to resin it because I really want this to have a glass-like finish. I really want this to stand out even more than what it is right now. So I'm loving the lacing. I'm loving how all the colors that I use is coming out in this painting on this black background. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Very, very, very happy with it. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment. I love to read your thoughts on this one. This was fun to make. I love this one. I really do. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And like this video if you like, and subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading something new. I appreciate your time. I always do when you stop and watch my videos, and I just want you to know that I appreciate you. So I will see you again in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye, everyone.